Hi, I'm Daniel from Catalyst IT Australia. We developed this plugin as a need for an improved maintenance mode to use with our clients, but we decided to share it with the open source community, so feel free to comment, register issues, and create pull requests in our GitHub account. This plugin warns users about scheduled maintenances or outages in Moodle. As we get closer to the outage period, a warning bar like this will show up. This countdown will be displayed to all users and will change color once the outage is about to start. At this point, we have an ongoing maintenance, and Moodle's maintenance mode may automatically kick in or not, depending on the configuration. If we are not using Moodle's maintenance mode, this page will keep pulling the server to check if the outage is finished. Once the outage is finished, we should see this message. Once we start browsing, it will simply go away. Also, when the administrator configures an outage, it's also added to the calendar. Let's create a new entry. We go to Site Administration, Plugins, Authentication, Outage Manager, and Manage. Here we can see planned outages, which are ongoing or future, and outage history, which shows all the previous entries. So let's create a new one. Set a start date and time, which is exactly what it says. Now the warning duration is how long before the outage starts that we should display the warning message. I'll make it 3 hours. And the outage duration is the planned duration for this maintenance. We can also customize the title and the public description, which will be viewed by all users. I'll just leave it the default. Now, this one here is important. If you check Auto Start Maintenance Mode, once the outage starts, it will activate Moodle's maintenance mode. You will not be able to access your site again until you manually disable the maintenance mode in your server. Well, let's save it, and then we can check the calendar. There you go. Now, if you are a system administrator, you can also use the CLI to incorporate outages in your scripts. For example, we can create outages from the command line. I'll create one here. I don't want it to auto start. I don't want Moodle to close my system. I'm going to say that it's going to start in 30 seconds after I press enter. It's going to have a warning period of 20 seconds, which means 10 seconds after I execute this, it's going to be warning. A duration of 10 minutes. I'll set a title. And I'll leave the default description, and I'm going to use this command. This is interesting. You notice that the script will not return until the outage starts, which is very good if you want to perform some actions after it starts. For example, you can upgrade your database only after the outage has begun. You can see here the script is still executing, and it's not going to finish until it starts. And it hasn't warned yet. Okay, there we go. So now we have to wait until it starts, and you see that the script will complete once the outage has started. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can see it has returned here. Now, if you want to finish the outage before this 10 minutes, we can also use the finish command. It's going to complain because we need to tell which outage you want to finish, which we can just say I want to finish the active one. And done. So that was a quick overview about our auth outage plugin, and I hope it's useful for you. And if you have any comments, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Okay, one more thing. As suggested by Brendan, I will show how the static page looks like once Moodle's maintenance mode is activated. So let's create an outage starting very soon. But this time we will auto start Moodle's maintenance mode. Let's start it very soon, let's say 5 seconds, and it's going to last only 10 seconds. Okay. As you can see, this page is simple because at this point we have no access to Moodle. A database could be upgrading, for example, so we cannot rely on any service. This is just a simple HTML page generated before the system entered maintenance mode. This page will refresh automatically in case it's left open, but once Moodle maintenance mode is disabled, let's see. Then this page we can navigate back to our website. Thank you.